Hi, I'm Monique Mills, and I'm an assistant professor of speech and hearing science. I'm also affiliated with the Institute for Population Research here at The Ohio State University. My research focuses on the educational disproportionality issues faced by many children of color in the United States. Its interest is in developing culturally fair assessments of narrative language, that is, the language of storytelling, which is now a benchmark that children must meet to be successful academically. I'm trying to identify measures of storytelling skill that are sensitive to development and that distinguishes impaired language from typical language in child speakers of African American English so that these children are not overrepresented in special education. To carry out this important work, I and student research assistants go into local elementary schools and record children telling, writing, reading, and answering questions about stories that we elicit in quasi-experiments. We use computer software to transcribe and code the structural components of these stories, which tell us how well they develop a plot that unfolds over time, how complex their stories are, how many different words and sentences they produce, and how straightforwardly they tell their stories. We then analyze these structural components in an effort to provide school-based professionals with expectations of narrative language for African American English speakers with and without impairment. My goal is to establish best practices for assessing narrative skills in school-aged children who are culturally and linguistically diverse.